Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to create this nice preloader screen animation. Actually, I decided to make this tutorial after watching another preloader animation tutorial on YouTube. You can find the link in the description for that. So as always, I copied only the static elements. Let's start creating it from scratch. I'm gonna just copy this circle frame and do the required transformation to the circle, which is going to be rotating it 90 degrees clockwise. And I'm gonna rotate it once more and select the circle. I just cloned it once more and rotated it 90 degrees more. I'm gonna clone the frame. So I'm selecting the last circle and rotating it 90 degrees more. Selecting all frames. Distribute the horizontal spacing, and I'm gonna create a component set. So Figma warns me about variant conflict. So what I need to do is actually rename the other variants. So let's call the property one rotation. And call the other ones as rotation 2. And 4. Now we can create the animation or interactions between the variants. What I need here is, since I cannot enter 0 for delay, I'm gonna enter 1 milliseconds, and animation type is going to be smart animate. And easing type is going to be gentle, and I need something like 2 seconds. So I'm gonna drag another wire to the second, from the second variant to the third one. And I'm gonna select after delay, and the rest is going to remain the same, right? And the last interaction is going to be from the variant to the first one, just to close the loop of our animation, and the rest is going to stay the same. So actually, let's go to the design tab. And I dragged an instance of my component. Let's check if our component works as we want. As you see, our animation works. So the rest is just cloning our component and creating the animation we saw at the beginning of our tutorial. So I'm gonna clone this component and flip it horizontally to create that nice effect. So the other instance of the component is gonna be for animation in the background, right? For that I need to increase the size. And I'm gonna select this circle and copy its properties and paste its properties to this circle by Alt Command V. I'm gonna carry this big component to my frame, and again I'm gonna clone it to create the effect I want. and flip it horizontally. Hopefully our animation is going to work as we want. As you see, can create the animation you've seen at the beginning of our tutorial. Hope you liked the tutorial. See you in the next one.